Good afternoon, HSE. I'm Eric Bedrosian here with your almost daily newscast for Friday, February 26, 2021. We have a lot in store for you today, including a brand new HSETV on the road where we visit IKEA's Food Court. Now to your 1 minute of school news. In academic and guidance news, Purdue University's Women in Engineering program would like to invite freshman and sophomore students from HSE to a virtual event called Introduce a Girl to Engineering Day. This virtual event is sponsored by Purdue's Women in Engineering program and is geared towards freshman and sophomore girls with an engineering interest. This will be held at 9:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. on February 27th. Register at their website below and locate at the Events tab. The NACAC Virtual College Fair will feature more than 500 colleges and universities from the U.S. and worldwide. Don't miss these one-day events. Sign up free at the website listed below. Please visit enrichment programs and Naviance to view upcoming college summer programs. Many are offering many virtual options. Some offer college credits. There's a wide assortment of opportunities, so look soon, for some have early deadlines. Camp Kesem IU will offer its annual camp in summer 2021 on a virtual platform, open to children from central and southern Indiana. Our camp is offered free of charge and is available for children ages 6 to 18 years old whose parent or guardian has cancer. However, we offer more than 1 week of summer camp. We have fall and spring events to bring together campers and families with student volunteers and provide support touch points such as birthday cards and care packages throughout the year. Registration opens February 23rd. Please visit Naviance for contact information or go to the website below. The first virtual College Goals Sunday of 2021 takes place at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on March 7th. On March 7th, families will simply go to collegegoalsunday.org and click the link that will be displayed there to enter their virtual event. FAFSA experts from across Indiana will be available to assist with the FAFSA filing. Also, College Goals Sunday is once again having a drawing for 5 scholarships worth $1,000 each for students who attend virtual CGS and fill out a survey on March 7th. Free FAFSA completion of finalizing financial aid event. This is on March 3rd at 6:30 p.m. There will be a virtual workshop to help you with FAFSA. Please go to the link below to register a spot. Registration is now open for Indiana Association for College Admission Counseling. Sign up to virtually connect with colleges and universities from around the country for free. During the virtual college fair, students and parents will have the chance to hear from many different colleges. Attendees can select sessions on either date or both. Dates are March 10th and April 12th. Go to the link below to register. Now we have a brand new episode of HSETV on the road. Like I mentioned earlier, we visited the IKEA Food Court, and I don't really know what to say about it. Let's go check it out.
Hey guys, at IKEA, how's it going? I feel like a vlogger. Yeah, so they close in 10 minutes. 10. 2 of these. Hey! Oh wow, they have chicken tendies. It literally closes like right now. Why do we have to get a car? Wow, that is so convenient. Yeah, get a slice of chocolate cake.
We'll try one.
Sure.
I'll give it a shot, yeah.
I think they're mad at us.
So we got a bunch of food here to try. We're going to try the salmon, mac and cheese. What did they say this was?
It's with broccoli, onion, and cheese.
That'll be interesting. And then what was the other thing we got? We got $4 chicken tenders.
Yeah, my $4 chicken
French fries, mashed potatoes, Swedish meatballs, and then chocolate cake as well. And then Gabby wanted to try the chips. So
Swedish chips, not Swedish
Gabby,
fish.
go ahead and go first if you'd like.
Meatball? Meatball.
They're okay.
10 out of 10.
Really?
Amazing.
They're
Those are
good?
amazing.
I'm not going to lie. It was also a hollandaise sauce put on top of it. So let's give that a whirl. Okay, not going to lie. This is really good. I didn't know what to expect from IKEA Food Court.
TBH.
But the salmon is really good. Final thing is the macaroni and cheese. Again, trying to go in with 1 bite each. The macaroni's like good comfort food. I think the macaroni, my favorite thing out of all 3 of them has to be this, I think. It's kind of that cheese potato mix of things. It was really good. Overall, I'm actually really impressed by the food court here. I didn't know what to expect. I wouldn't let's put it this way, I wouldn't come here and eat a meal like by choice, but if I was here and shopping and I needed to grab something to eat, I would definitely stop by. Yeah, can.
That's 10 out of 10 right there. That's really good. I'm gonna eat that again.
Yeah.
It tastes like
The
any other
aftertaste
chicken
is
cheese.
really bad,
Yeah.
by the way. BT Dubs, the aftertaste is bad.
The mashed potatoes taste horrible. I'm just putting that out there.
I guess I will too.
We all gotta try the cake.
That's actually solid chocolate cake.
That is, solid.
I think they took it from Portillo's. They modded up Portillo's and then they just resold it.
Honestly, they could have. It's pretty good though. I mean, it's chocolatey, of course, but it's rich. It's really moist. It's good, actually. I would eat this again, definitely.
I'm not a huge fan of chocolate cake, but that was really good. Like, I like the mixture of the filling where it's like softer and then it's very nice moisture. I've watched too many cooking shows.
It wasn't as bad as I thought it would. For some of the stuff that I've heard about here, I actually enjoyed the food enough to where I would come in and grab a bite to eat if I was walking around the store. If I was walking around the store. For HSETV, this has been Will Cantwell, Zach Vance, Eric Bedrosian, Gabby Hames, and with Evan Miller. That's all I have for you today, Royals. Wear your masks, stay safe, and have a great weekend.